Gorillas by V.S. Naipaul. It is a political and psychological novel by V.S. Naipaul published in 1975. The novel is set on an unnamed Caribbean island, probably modeled on Trinidad and Tobago. It explores the themes of power, race, violence, colonialism, identity, and political hypocrisy in a newly independent society. The novel is one of Naipaul's darkest works and presents a pessimistic view of post-colonial nations struggling with instability and corruption. Publication details: title Gorillas, author V.S. Naipaul, published in 1975, and it is a political novel, post-colonial novel, and psychological fiction. Setting: the story takes place on a remote Caribbean island. Characteristics of the island: former British colony, multi-ethnic population, political unrest and social instability, economic inequality, conflict between rich and poor, legacy of colonial domination. The island serves as a symbol of many post-colonial nations struggling to define themselves after independence. Major themes are the post-colonial crisis. The novel examines the difficulties faced by newly independent nations. Problems include political instability, corruption, weak institutions, economic inequality. Naipaul suggests that independence alone can't solve deep social problems. Power and exploitation: nearly every character seeks power over others. Example: colonial rulers control the island, political leaders manipulate the masses, and the Jimmy exploits vulnerable people. Power is presented as corrupting and destructive. Political hypocrisy: many characters speak about justice and equality while pursuing selfish goals. Jimmy's revolutionary language hides personal ambition. Naipaul criticized political movements that become tools for individual power. Violence exists in his everyday life. It appears through political conflict, social tension, personal relationships. The novel suggests that violence is deeply rooted in the island's history. Race and colonial legacy: the island's racial tensions result from colonial history, with struggle for recognition, status, authority. Naipaul shows how colonialism continues to influence society long after independence. Anti-crisis: character struggles to understand who they are. The island itself lacks a clear identity after colonial rule. This uncertainty creates confusion and instability. Failure of idealism: Jane and Ross believe in humanitarian and political ideals, while the end their beliefs are challenged, their hopes collapse. Reality proves more complex than theory. Symbols: the island represents post-colonial nations searching for identity. Jimmy's commune represents the failure of revolutionary utopias. It appears idealistic but hides exploitation and corruption. Jane represents Western liberal idealism and its limitations. Roche represents humanitarian intervention that can't fully solve deep structural problems. Literary significance: the novel is important because it examines post-colonial society realistically, criticizes political extremism, explores the psychology of power, challenges romantic views of revolution, and combines political and psychological analysis. Many critics consider it one of Naipaul's most complex and disturbing novels. Thanks for watching.